Do you want to get a full-body workout at home without needing tons of equipment? Stay tuned, because I'm about to show you 3 simple but effective exercises using just a set of dumbbells. Let's save time and get fit, right where you are. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Luke, and I'm here to help you achieve your health and wellness goals, one workout at a time. Today, I'm bringing you a fast, full-body workout you can do from the comfort of your own home. All you need is a pair of dumbbells and we'll work your legs, shoulders, and biceps in just 3 moves. First up, lunges with dumbbells. This exercise targets your legs and glutes while also engaging your core. Here's how to do it. 1. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, arms straight by your sides. 2. Step forward with your right leg, bending both knees until your back knee nearly touches the ground. 3. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position and repeat on the other leg. Do 4 sets of 10 reps per leg, alternating each time. Remember, form is key. Keep your back straight and don't rush. Now let's work on those shoulders with the dumbbell shoulder press. This move is a great way to strengthen your upper body. Here's how it's done. First, start with a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder height, palms facing forward. Then, press the dumbbells up overhead until your arms are fully extended. Slowly lower them back down to the starting position. Complete 4 sets of 10 reps. Feel free to do this exercise seated if you want extra stability. Finally, let's finish strong with standing bicep curls. This exercise isolates the biceps for that toned arm look. Here's the breakdown. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing forward, arms fully extended. Curl the dumbbells up to your shoulders, keeping your elbows close to your torso. Lower the weights back down with control. Aim for 4 sets of 10 reps, and feel those arms burn. And that's it, a quick full-body workout using just a set of dumbbells. Try it out and let me know how you feel in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health and wellness content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.